Hi, my name's Testament. I'm an international rapper, playwright, poet, screenwriter. I also hold a Guinness World Record for leading the world's largest ever beatbox ensemble, which is a lot of fun. In my work, I worked with Grammy winners, with jazz legends, famous historians, all sorts of people. And it's great to be able to take my professional work and share it with young people to empower and inspire them. As a theatre maker, my work's been at the Shakespeare's Globe, the Royal Court London, and even on television work like Disney Plus and Netflix. And I think it's a real privilege, really, because you've got all the bells and whistles of what it's like to work as an artist. But actually, you'll really make a difference when you can take what you've learned from the professions and from the arts and from a global perspective and give that to young people to inspire them. One of my highlights actually was working at the Youth Forum Switzerland. It was really inspiring to see young people making a difference. It's something that I try and do in my work, but to see it in an international school with all these different voices coming together to explore the arts. I was running workshops there, teaching the history of hip hop and what we've learned from that and how we can take that into different disciplines. And also how rap, song, the arts can be a tool for activism, whether that's talking about climate change or social injustice, and how we can make a difference in those arenas. So I'm really looking forward to being back at the International School of Zug and Lucerne. It's very dear to my heart. The staff there, they really care, and the young people actually inspire my practice as well. So hopefully the work that I do inspires them, but I can definitely tell you it's reciprocal. Seeing young minds grapple with the world, it should encourage us. It should encourage us as grown-ups. This is what it's all about. This is how we make a difference. We can understand ourselves and help others and shape the world around us. My name's Testament. As a thank you, here's a little something, a little jam that I wrote for you guys. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks so much for your support. Big up, peace.
Check it. Back in Zoo where the lake mirrors the sky, class in session. You students, young minds learn to fly like Da Vinci. Learning never exhausts the mind. Light switching, hear the call, the youth asking why. When the sky starts to listen, life gets hard. Yet listen in the silence, hear the young mind sparking. The target, guide a child to a mind that thinks global, never so-so. Cruise on the road like how we stroll down the old town cobblestone. Cause they hold tomorrow, even the kids understand, yeah. We need a different plan. Intellect gives the rhythm, so this Englishman can spit the sickest rap from Swaziland to Switzerland. So you never skip the track, that's the jam. Rhythm in the walls, yeah. So we answer the higher calls on a mission. Optimism, like Optimus Prime. We transform. Youth Forum Switzerland. Yeah, we talk about that youth activism, cause when the young speak, you know the world has to listen. See you soon, Zoo. We talking Shine bright, help others keep on. We coming. Let's go.